It's on. Hello, we are going to start a little walk. Not so little. It's a few kilometers that way, I think. That way.
South.
So we are going to climb up to the highest hill. Nearby is 380 meters above the ocean. And that's great. So telling us to turn left, so to this side. And we're still on the beginning of the trek. We keep on walking. Yeah. This is wonderful. This Dji Avata is full of flowers. Yeah. Now, safely, I will go to the top of the rock. Look, this is the Atlantic Ocean. So, to give you an idea of what we are passing through, we are finding these trails on the mountain because I really want to fly the Dji Avata on the top of this mountain. It is 380 meters above sea level, top of the world. This is surreal because it's so high, and the ocean is so far away. Like I said, 382 meters high, and it seems like a surreal thing. So there's a small construction down there, and this is so amazing. I love it so much. We are so high, not high on substance, but high on the hill.
Can you hear me?
So he's talking to a flower.
Hey,
You didn't take the pills?
1 2 1 2.
Hey, João, take your pills.
Told me. And
Ooh.
he's going to listen to some music to don't listen.
Who has
to us.
been eating like an hamburger, a very sophisticated lunch. We are eating sandwich. He's eating his with a knife and fork and hamburger and potatoes and yeah, it seems like he's in a restaurant. I'm with Dji Avata, Avarta, and I want to go down there. So probably I will have to lay down on the rocks.